Hi, everyone. My name is Taquina, and today I'm going to talk about how direct democracy works in Arizona through initiative and referendum process. These tools give regular people, not just lawmakers, a direct voice in making laws and shaping policies. I'll explain what initiatives and referendums are, how they're treated and created, how they're similar and different, and the pros and cons of each. They support direct democracy in Arizona Constitution. So let's go over what is an initiative. An initiative is when citizens write and propose a new law or constitution amendment and then gather signatures to place on a ballot or voters to approve or reject. A referendum, what is it? It's when voters get to approve or reject a law that has already been passed by the state. That's pretty cool. By the state legislator. So, with that being said, it's simple. Initiatives, people start the law. Referendum, people vote on the law that is already passed. How initiatives and referendums are created in Arizona. One, citizens draft a proposal. They then file with the state. Supporters collect a required number of ballot signatures from registered voters. If enough signatures are verified, it appears on the statewide ballot. Voters decide yes or no. For a referendum, the legislator pass a law. Citizens who disagree can organize a referendum petition. They collect the required numbers of signatures within a limited time window. If successful, the law is paused. Voters then decide whether it stays or is it repealed. This gives Arizonians real power beyond just voting every few years. To compare and contrast, both are tools of direct democracy. Both require voter signatures, both in with voters making the final decisions. Both are written into the Arizona Constitution, which is amazing. The difference between the two. Initiatives start with the people. Referendums react to the legislator. Initiatives create new laws or amendments. Referendums approve or reject existing laws. Think of it as like this. Initiatives, let's make this new law. Referendum, wait, let's voice before the law actually stands. The pros, the cons. The pros are it gives citizens a direct voice. It limits government's power. It encourages participation in education. It allows voters to address issues legislators avoid. The cons, ballot wording can be confusing. Special interest groups can fund campaigns. Voters may not always allow read full proposals. Frequent ballot measures can be overwhelming. They are powerful, but like any tool, they can be used well or poorly. How they support direct democracy in Arizona, you ask? Arizona Constitution was strongly influenced by the progressive movement, which believed people should have power over government, not just elected officials. Initiatives and referendums support direct democracy because citizens are decision makers, not just spectators. The legislator can be checked by the people. Laws must earn public approval. It reflects the idea that political powers come from, excuse me, voters. It's so much of a process than we realize. In Arizona, these processes are not symbolic. Excuse me. They are used and have shaped policies on education, minimum wage, marijuana legalization, and more. In closing, initiatives and referendums are at the heart of direct democracy in Arizona. Initiatives let citizens propose laws. Referendums let them approve and reject laws. And together they keep government accountable to the people. They come with challenges, but they give voters real power, just as Arizona Constitution intended. So, just like that, referendums, initiatives. Thank you for listening.